March 11, 1689, time seemed to pause at Tulapur's shore. A great emperor, a brave warrior, Sambhaji Maharaj had lost his sight and speech, but his courage lived on. On Falgun Vadya 1611, Sambhaji Maharaj was martyred by the Yavans. Yet the flame of Swarajya remained. Aurangzeb had one command: end Swarajya. July 1689, Mughal commander Zulfikar Khan besieged Raigad.
Send the king safely. Preserve Swarajya's seeds. I will fall into their hands with Sahu. But I won't give this fort.
On Raigad's sacred land, history is turning anew. November 25th, 1689, betrayal happened. Suryaji Pisal opened the secret gate and the Mughal army entered the fort. Rajmata Yesubai embraced Shahu Raje tightly. There was no way left except Mughal captivity. The golden Singhasan weighing 32 mounds or 200 kilos was either broken or taken. This is the time for sacrifice, of duty. The sword is not just a weapon. Now every step of mine is only for Swarajya.
We'll rise. Maharaj, the Ganga Jamuna tunnel is ready. Hail Bhavani!
Maratha spy, led by Hiroji Farzand, 1400 kilometers was covered in 45 days. King Ram Shivre's heir is not alone now. From Panhala to Pratapgarh via Vijaydurg. King Ram's journey was a symbol of sacrifice. Zulfikar, bring that langar to me, dead or alive.
Maharaj, this map shows Gingee is our hope.
Pratapgarh matters are with us. Boats have arrived from Vijaydurg. Now Tanjavur's Marathas will be our shield. Gingee will be our new Sinhagar. In Shaka 1612, Chaitra, King Ram Maharaj was crowned Chhatrapati in Gingee. Sabasad Bakar writes, this day symbolized the rebirth of Shivaji Maharaj's Swarajya. Swarajya will endure. We will keep Shivrai's dreams alive till our last breath. In Gingee, King Ram didn't just seek refuge. He built a new Swarajya with Ramchandra Pantmat and the Asht Pradhan, reorganized it. In the Havaldar system, there will be 500 Mavlis in every province. Mobile, powerful, and ready cannons have been procured from the Portuguese. 20 new warriors, fire arrows. Now guerrilla warfare is our sword. 60,000 surrounded Gingee with Mughal soldiers. But the Maratha spirit neither bowed nor broke.
In the dark of night, we'll send 200 horsemen, cut off the supply route.
Eight years of siege, 120 guerrilla attacks, 12,000 Mughal soldiers perished. Gingee did not fall. Maratha resistance remained immortal. This is not a fort, it's a saw. And these Marathas strike like shadows. On January 15, 1690, Santaji attacked Mukham Singh's army in Sangameshwar. 3,000 Mughal soldiers were killed. 45 elephants were captured. This year will show every Mughal the Chhatrapati's death scene. In 1698, Rajaram reached Satara and took up the torch of war upon his heroic death in 1700.
One Maharani said, "The flame of Swarajya flows in every vein of mine. From today I will be Shivaji II's protector and fight."
I will fight. The Maratha Empire was not just sword power, but the fire of resolve, and Rajaram was the blazing pillar of that fire.